Hi guys, what's up? Welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, hi, this is Anshu. I create content around beauty, makeup, skincare, fashion, hair care, anything related to beauty you will find out in this channel. And I love drugstore makeup, affordable skincare, fashion, anything of that sort. So yeah, if that's interest you, please consider subscribing, like this video, share my videos with your friends and families. Now without further ado, let's get started. So today I'm going to review this is a fairly new launch. Nybae just keep on launching new stuff every day, and so yeah, today I'm going to do a in-depth review about these blushes. So I was about to buy another mauve shade. I have basically all the mauve shades. If you guys know me by any means, I love mauve and it's my favorite shade of tone, as you can see. So yeah, I was about to buy all the three of them, but one is constantly out of stock, so I will do a swatch of this later. So yeah, so I'm going to do swatches of these two, and I'm going to give you an in-depth review also about these two, the whole this blush line. So this is the Nybae Skyline Sunset Blush. So that's the name. All the purple products have a really long name. I don't know what's that. So as you can see, so this is the shade Dusky Mauve, and this is a very pretty pinky mauve shade. So it's a mauve with a little bit of pink in it. So it's a mauve pinky nude. I'm going to swatch this, and blushes are not supposed to be crazy pigmented, and that's why I love this Nybae range. See, it's not extra pigmented, and I will show you, I will build this up. See, it's a beautiful pinky mauve blush, and your perfect pigment. You can build the pigment according to your need, but yeah, you don't need that much blush. So these are proper blushes, like proper pigmentation. And I'm going to use this blush, and on this cheek I'm going to use Dusky Mauve. So this is the shade Dusky Mauve. It's a very pretty pinky mauve sort of blush. So, and this is the hand swatch, and this is how this looks blended. It's a very pretty pinky mauve blush, and I'm going to do tell you everything. First I'm going to swatch it, the longevity and everything I'm going to tell. And this is the shade Mauve Aurore. Personally, I love Mauve Aurore a little bit more because it's a true mauve, and it has the depth that I really love in my cheek products. So yeah, this is Mauve Aurore. It's a more proper mauve, and it's a proper mauve nude. And this formula, I'm going to talk about the formula. So really buttery soup, is really buttery smooth. So as you can see, you can build these. Let me just bring you close. So this is Dusky Mauve, and this is Mauve Aurore. So there is another mauve shade which I was out of stock, so I was not able to purchase them. And now I'm going to apply this Mauve Aurore on this cheek. Let me just pull back my hair and see. This is Mauve Aurore, and just to show you guys, I'm building this up. So as you can see, this is a proper mauve shade. This is a mauve shade with pink undertone. This is a proper mauve shade, and both of them are really stunning, but I personally like Mauve Aurore a little bit more. And yeah, it's a proper mauve nude blush. So now let's just talk about more of these blushes, like the longevity and the formula. So this formula is really smooth to touch. When you will touch a powder product, you will know if it's powdery or if it's smooth, and this formula is really smooth, buttery smooth. And the best thing is that this is so cute. It's really tiny, so it's good for travel as well. It does not have mirrors, so no chance of breaking in your travel. And now let's just talk about all the longevity. So all the powder products, okay, so as I was talking about longevity, so if you want your cheek products, any cheek products to your last, I will recommend you to first apply cream cheek products, and on top of it you can apply powder products. So that way, my blush will last every day because I apply first my lipstick as blush and then these powder blushes, both of the blushes. And now this longevity of this will be 4 to 5 hours depending on the primer. The longevity is subjective to the primer you are using. Without primer, I don't think so this will be that long lasting. Your makeup will not last long if you are not applying any sort of primer. So that's that. And it's a really pretty blush for, so the affordability of this blush is really dang good. And I was like, when first I received this, I was like, this is so tiny and there will be not so much product, but this has 5 grams. So yeah, 5 grams of product will, if you will use it daily, maybe in 2 years this will get over. Okay, so yeah, blushes take forever to use up, so 5 gram of blush will be good for 2 years. Okay, and the price point is 230 rupees, but I bought like when there was 35% off. These kinds of offers are always going. Right now there is some sale, Christmas sale, so yeah, always check Purple for discounts, you will find this. And now Nybae is also available on Amazon, and before that it was exclusive to Purple, but now Purple products are also on Amazon. So I don't know this is particular thing is launched on Amazon or not. Right now you can check Purple for 150. I bought them when 150, and trust me, this does not feel like a 150 rupees product. It's a really good quality blush with a fraction of cost. 150 rupees is not that much. So yeah, it's a very good formula, pigmented, buildable, pigmented, and you can use this as eyeshadow also. These are very pretty, mauve shades. You can use them as eyeshadow as well. And yeah, they have coral, they have red, they have orange, they have all sorts of shades, but since I love mauve, that's why I bought these. Planning to buy another mauve shade when that will come in stock. These go out of stock real quick, you guys, because these are 150 rupees on discount. Such a good quality blush. So try to grab your hands. This will definitely get out of stock really quickly in this Christmas sale also. And I think this is the best, one of the best blush launches in 2021. So yeah, I hope you like this video. This was like the in-depth video. Some of my subscriber request to do in-depth reviews of products, so yeah, just doing that what you guys demanded. So yeah, I hope you like this video. If you do, please do not forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I shall see you in my next one. Okay, yeah, and if you have any product demand, do comment down below. If you want a product specific in-depth review, I'm more than happy to do that as well. So yeah, I hope you like this video. If you do, please do not forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, like this video, share my videos with your friends and families, and I shall see you on my next one. Bye.